Good morning, friends. Today is November 11th, 2020. Please write the date at the top right corner of your page and number corner at the top. Press pause if you need more time. Alrighty, next to number 1, you're going to draw the clock to show 8 o'clock a.m. So if you look here, yesterday we colored all the way up until 7 o'clock a.m. Today we're going to go to 8 o'clock a.m. Draw the clock and then write 8 o'clock a.m. Press pause if you need more time. Number 2, write your prediction about what will be behind today's card. Write the number you will see and the picture. So when I look at the calendar for November, I saw 1 whole cookie and 1 bear chomp the whole cookie. Then I saw 1 cookie cut in half or 2 parts and 2 dogs gulp the 2 parts of the cookies. Then I saw a cookie cut in 4 parts or fourths, and I saw 4 mice nibbling on the 4 parts of the cookie. So each mouse ate a fourth of the cookie. Then I saw 1 whole sandwich. I saw 1 bear chomping the sandwich. Then I saw 2 halves of a sandwich, and I saw 2 dogs gulping a half. They each ate or gulped half of a sandwich. What will I see behind today's card? Press pause if you need more time. All right, now we are going to the number of days we've been in school. Yesterday we were in school for 37 days. We will add 1 more day in school. Then we will write an equation that equals 38, a subtraction equation that equals 38, tally marks to show the number 38, coins that have a value of 38 cents, and the base 10 picture with the 10 sticks and 1 circles to show 38. Press pause if you need more time. Number 4. Today you are going to skip count by tens up to 120. That's all for today, friends. Have a great day. You've got this. Do your best.